Imagine seeking a healthier lifestyle, only to end up hospitalized due to following misguided advice. This is exactly what happened to a 60-year-old man who, in an effort to eliminate salt from his diet, turned to ChatGPT for alternatives. Unfortunately, the advice he received was not only outdated but dangerous, leading to a severe medical condition known as bromism. This incident, detailed in a recent publication in the Annals of Internal Medicine, highlights the risks of relying on AI for health-related information without proper safeguards. The man was advised by ChatGPT to replace sodium chloride, commonly known as table salt, with sodium bromide. This chemical, once used in pesticides and pool cleaners, and still used as a canine anticonvulsant, was popular in the 19th and early 20th centuries for its sedative qualities. However, it fell out of favor due to its toxic effects, which can accumulate in the bloodstream and cause a range of neuropsychiatric symptoms, from confusion to psychosis. At one point, bromide toxicity was responsible for a significant number of psychiatric hospital admissions. Despite its historical use, the recommendation to use sodium bromide as a salt substitute was highly inappropriate and dangerous. This case underscores the importance of critical evaluation of AI-generated advice, especially in matters of health. But here's where it gets controversial.